Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're focusing on how to create an impressive fence entrance that enhances your home's curb appeal and invites guests in. Step 1. Choose the right style. Your fence entrance should reflect the style of your home. Whether it's classic, modern, or rustic, pick a design that complements your property. Step 2. Invest in quality hardware. Eye-catching gate hardware, like handles and hinges, can elevate the look of your entrance. Opt for durable materials that add both beauty and functionality. Step 3. Create a welcoming pathway. A defined path leading to your entrance guides visitors and enhances the aesthetic. Consider using pavers, gravel, or decorative stones. Step 4. Add landscaping. Incorporate plants, flowers, or shrubs around your entrance to soften the look and add color. Choose low-maintenance plants that thrive in your climate. Step 5. Install lighting. Strategic lighting can highlight your entrance at night and improve safety. Consider lanterns or solar lights flanking the gate for a warm, inviting glow. Step 6. Personal touches. Don't forget to add your unique flair. Whether it's a personalized sign, seasonal decorations, or a small bench, these details make your entrance feel special. To recap, 1. Choose a style that matches your home. 2. Invest in quality hardware. 3. Create a welcoming pathway. 4. Enhance with landscaping. 5. Install lighting. And 6. Add personal touches. An impressive fence entrance sets the tone for your home and creates a lasting first impression. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.